Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. This idiot can't handle a light honk.
Go, you What are you doing, you prick?
Always watch for the second deer. The first one is just barely visible around 6 seconds in. I slowed down right away, expecting the second one, and sure enough, there it was. How is that even possible?
A few moments later.
Seriously? You're supposed to be the pros out here. This happened tonight, and it was my worst nightmare come true.
Holy shit!
On this thing all night long. You Google. You piece of shit.
I'm a virtual assistant, but your words are still very real.
Get
Please keep them respectful.
shut up.
Frustrated with
Shut
something.
your up.
Feedback.
Shut up.
Sorry about that, CJ.
Shut up.
Problem. You can send feedback.
Why aren't people using their mirrors before pulling these kinds of stunts? This aggressive driver comes within inches of hitting pedestrians in a crosswalk on a mountain road. Running a red light can seriously injure or even damage the vehicle. Turning right on red whenever you feel like it, without even stopping.
Oh! What the f*** you doing?
Parking lots are like the Wild West, especially when they're covered in snow. Last night, someone on a motorcycle came really close to hitting me in the head. Are there any specific laws for dealing with road rages?
Twenty minutes later.
He had zero chance of driving that car ever again after this. This is why you need to stay focused on the traffic ahead. This pedestrian seems to think traffic lights are just for her.
Eventually.
I was pulling out of the road. What? What did I do? Can I say anything?
Good thing that video cut off. What do you think happened here? Today, Deadpool passed me on the PA Turnpike. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.